YouTube, back in today with another video, but today it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be about me working on my broke ass cars. It's going to be about some other cars. So I'm actually just heading out to Southside. I'll go link up with my cousin. My cousin's going to be taking his car out to Hampton Downs and putting it on the skid pan. So my cousin's got a beautiful JZX90 Toyota Chaser. It's got the 1JZ in it, twin turbo. It's got a reasonable amount of power, nothing extreme, but it's a good package. So yeah, I'm gonna go link up with him, and then we'll shoot off to the track. And yeah, should be good times. Yeah, she's pretty foggy today. It's not too bad on the north side of the Bombays. South side of the Bombays, man, visibility is gone. Here we are at Hampton Downs. This is the home of all the good stuff. Racetrack, the Mad Lab, whole bunch of little workshops. Invisible Man Racing's out these ways as well. It's awesome.